Hello guys. Today we are going to learn how to create a background with Muk in Unity. So let's get into it. I have this simple URP scene from the previous video. I have already installed Muk and have two scenes. But we will be only working on the home page today. Let's delete the image in the container first. Right-click in the hierarchy, go to Muk and select the background. It will create the Muk background for us. Let's full size it. And now, we can customize the colors. Like all the Muk components, there are two options at the top: platform type and dark mode. For Muk background, we have the iOS theme color and the material theme color. These are drop-down values, the color list from the Muk theme data. For example, we can change the material color to the main color. Go to Muk setting, Muk theme data, default theme, and you can select iOS or material. You will see this list is the same as the color list from the background. If we change the main color here, the background color will change too. We can select the nav bar color for the background, or the disable color. We can use the dark mode color too. If you don't want the color from the list, you can tick the override background color. It will gray out the drop-downs, and let you set the color for the platform by your choice. We can set the dark mode color to blue. And the same for iOS. Let me untick the override color first. We can use the primary color for iOS. And it will change to blue, as the primary color in the theme data is blue. Let's change it back to the system background color. And reset the dark mode and platform type. This can unlock a lot of possibilities. This is a UI object, which means you can put it in any other UI objects. It does not have to be the page background. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.